boys, it's a Saturday morning and we've got goat ribs on the menu this Arby for a bit of a snack. So we went on the goat hunt, what was that, 2 weeks ago, and we kept the ribs off the goat, off the nanny, and they're pretty fat. We'll show you what they're like. So today we're going to do goat ribs in the slow cooker. It's beautiful, works with Veni really well too. So this is, I do Veni the exact same way, and it turns out really, really good. So yeah, this is how I do it. Alright, this is the goat we just shot. I've just got this new tool. It's a little meat saw. It's really, really cool, really good for your pack. It only costs, I think it was about 15 or 18 bucks from the Army Disposals. It's not the best quality, but it's really, really good. We've just got the bones, all the ribs off this goat, smashed through them, and we're going to be doing a bit of a goat rib recipe. So we just got them here. They're pretty good. They got a fair bit of meat and shit on them. So I'm gonna do them in the slow cooker, I think, and see how she turns out. So really basic goat rib recipe, guys. It's easy as. Ingredients are it's like a vegetable stock. So this is Vegeta. This is really, really good to be used as a dry rub too. Vegeta. It's like the secret for all game meat as a meat rub. It's bloody beautiful. But what we're going to do, first off, we've got our goat ribs. Now, these guys are pretty good. These are fresh from the goat the other day we got on the bow hunt. So you can see they're pretty bloody good layer of fat there. Fair bit of meat on them too. So they're gonna be really good. So we're gonna get the ribs out, and as a dry rub, we're gonna put some allspice, chili flakes, and salt and pepper, and that's it. So rub the ribs with them. Then we're gonna fry them off, just in the fryer, and then chuck them in the slow cooker with some vegetable stock, and let them slow cook for probably 6 hours. And they are going to be absolutely beautiful. So, see how we go, eh? So the goat ribs are done. They look bloody sensational. Check that out. Man, they look good. I think they're pretty tender, so I'll do a bit of a taste test. Check this out. Oh, where are we? Ed would like that, wouldn't he? He loves it when they pull out clean. Yeah, we'll try this, eh? They're really tender. Oh wow. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. That's so tender.
Really good, guys. Dirty old rib meat, bit of a rib of goat. Just the ribs of goat, keep them because they're beautiful. They shrink, and the goat's pretty fat. I mean,
Yum.
yum. Oh,